Not too long ago, we went to a restaurant and it was called, what was that restaurant called that served us the honey walnut shrimp with the caviar? Okay, it was inside China Dinner Club. Okay, inside of Bleu, Las Vegas, China Dinner Club. They served us honey walnut shrimp with caviar. And it was fire to me because I like sweet and savory. So I'm just in the mood for some honey walnut shrimp. I want some honey walnut shrimp, and I'm gonna throw some caviar on it. Another thing, a lot of y'all been in the comments talking about, why does he lean on the island? I'm 6'5", especially when I'm doing content with my wife. I'm 6'5". She's like 5'2", 5'4". I have to kneel down to her level, but I'm still fat. So anyway, honey walnut shrimp, real easy to make. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make. It's crazy because a lot of spots do not even use honey in honey walnut shrimp. They don't. It's more of a condensed milk, but I'm putting honey in this shit with a little bit of lemon juice. Wait, let me show you what I mean. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, motherfucker. Now, first step, and I'm gonna go step by step. Y'all know how I do it. First step is our wet batter. This is how I make mine. Okay, now this is how I make mine, okay? A lot of people use egg whites, flour, some people use egg. This is how I make mine. I'm making it simple for you. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch. Now right here is all fucked up, but right here we have salt. So this is all fucked up, but anyway, this shit is all fucked up. But we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder, tablespoon of salt, and a pinch of sazon, just to add a little bit of color. Don't overdo it. We're also gonna do about 1 3/4 cups cold water. Make sure you put some ice. This is important. Put some ice in it. All right, let's make our sauce. I don't have QP mayo. That's the best mayo for this sauce. I'm gonna use this Best Foods bullshit, and let's see what we come up with. I would say do about 1/2 cup. I'm gonna go cup because I want more sauce. Or just do a cup. Just do a cup, because once you taste this, you're gonna want more. I'm gonna do about 1/2 of this can of condensed milk. I wanna do it all, but honey, because it's honey walnut shrimp. I can't believe that they said they don't put honey in this dish. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. I mean, condensed milk by itself is fire. I feel like it can't be this easy. I just feel like it can't be this easy. Like, can I put some sesame oil in it? Can I put some garlic? I had QP mayo this whole time. Fuck. I'm sorry. I gotta see. Just a little bit. Just a little. If it don't taste right, I'll make another batch. Yeah, that's how I want it. Now, I've done this recipe a lot and I still talk shit about it. What I don't understand is why the sauce tastes like lemon meringue pie. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me know in the comments if I'm doing it wrong. But this is the way I like it. This is the way my wife likes it. This is one of her favorite dishes. So I mastered it for her. Now we have our shrimp. The shrimp has to be dry for the batter to stick, or you can just dredge it in a little bit of cornstarch, a little light dredge, then put it in your wet batter. I prefer this way. This is the way my grandmother taught me. In the wet batter, put a light coat on them and then throw them in. Now we're gonna pull out our wok. I got my fire on low because I don't want the sauce to separate. I don't want the sauce to break. Now, I don't throw my walnuts in a skillet with sugar and water and just like put this glaze over them. Just throw them in there. This is the glaze. As soon as that sauce starts to bubble, in with our shrimp. All right, remember this dish?
Hell yeah.
Let's see if I can make it better than they made it. Go ahead, make sure you get one with the caviar. Oh, for real?
That's fucking amazing. I don't get no green onion.
See, I'm not really a honey walnut shrimp. You know, I'm orange chicken.
I mean, your orange chicken. Yeah. We never got 2 utensils. They fit. Oh, that's 2. I can't do. They got a little walnut on it.
Yeah.
That's why I can't order shit when we go out to eat.
Oh, so you saying mine is better? Don't be just pumping my head up, cuz.
You talking about don't pump his head up. Ain't that what I do every video?
The saltiness from the caviar with this little lemon meringue pie sauce.
I heard you say that earlier. It do not taste like lemon meringue.
I'll tell you, fire.
That's what you think honey walnut shit tastes like? Yeah.
Damn.
Delicious.
This shit is so fire. I can actually taste the honey.
Delicious, man.
Now she's not gonna want honey walnut shrimp at a restaurant. Go ahead and kill it off.
Not on camera. I'm on my fat ass.
Listen, if you're a honey walnut shrimp fan, this recipe for sure. Honestly, the sauce tastes like you about to make a lemon meringue pie to me.
No, it
It does. I'm trying
Ain't
to tell
no
you.
lemon in there.
Yeah, I put lemon juice.
Okay, just a little juice.
Yeah, well, that's what it tastes like to me.
It don't taste like no goddamn lemon meringue.
That's what it tastes like to me.
Honey walnut shrimp.
Well, this is a must try. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description.
Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Next time.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment. I can say it how I want to say it.
Okay, well, do your shit.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Okay, whatever. Whatever. Recipe down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hype us up. Get your Blue Magic now because it's about to sell out again. Again, tap that link in the bio. My nigga, enjoy.